Over the past 100 years, Shure has introduced so many iconic products, naturally positioning themselves as staples across the global audio industry. Products made by people with passion, fueled by a deep understanding and respect for the needs of the people they are made for. Although we've not been around for a century, we've nevertheless met and interviewed countless Shure users over the past 3 decades and covered a plethora of applications where the products take centre stage. Shure has and continues to revolutionise the audio industry. And so, to celebrate this incredible 100-year milestone, it's a pleasure to introduce here a few shared personal experiences from users in the field and find out why they hold the brand in such high regard.
我係何炳，咁就何炳順。我係喺香港咧就負責做演唱會嘅音樂總監嘅，同埋即係會有做下啲唱片嘅製作。因為我以前喺外國讀書嘅時候咧，咁都會喺學校嗰度有啲活動啊。嗰陣時我唔係做音樂啊，嗰陣時係拍嘢，咁但都會有見到有 Shure 啲牌子嘅產品嘅。咁但係你話如果自己真係開始做演唱會就會接觸多啲，同埋咧，如果我自己第一次銀荷包去買 Shure 嘅產品，我記得應該就係 E4 嗰隻 IEM 嗰隻耳機啊，係啊。咁因為當時其實啱啱開始有 earmon 呢樣嘢啦，即係 in-ear monitor 呢樣嘢啦，咁就我係當時即係嗰個 series 最頂級應該係 E5。但係咧，因為對我哋嚟講，即係一個樂手咧，嗰陣時俾幾千蚊出嚟買一個耳機都算係好奢侈嘅一件事嚟㗎啦，咁就所以自己就買咗隻 E4 翻嚟咯。就算到而家咧，即係可能話我哋會用啲倒模嘅耳機嘅，但係我都始終都會袋住一隻846喺個袋入邊。中間經過好多階段嘅，我係E4 啦第一隻係啦，然後咧就去 SE530。跟住再 SE535，跟住咧就去到846，係一路睇住 Shure 咧不斷會有去改進佢自己嘅產品啦，同埋咧因為我覺得佢係會令到我覺得好，即係佢好明白用家係需要啲咩嘢咯。呢個比較上特別啲嘅，因為我譬如做演唱會嘅時候咧，咁我唔係負責唱歌嗰個啦，我係負責樂手啦、彈琴啦。咁但係因為我係音樂總監同埋我係 band leader， 所以咧我都係會需要去Q 好多嘢嘅。咁我係都幾會指定要用Beta 588。我嘅聲音唔係話真係要好聽定唔好聽，但係咧我唔要收到側邊嘅雜聲。係啦，因為咧Beta 588咧，佢比較上控制到側邊嘅嗰個噪音會多啲。因為譬如如果隔離係一套鼓嘅話咧，咁佢收翻嚟，佢未必係正面收套鼓噶嘛。如果正面收就好嘈啦，但係可能佢側邊收套鼓翻嚟咧，會令到我哋喺個耳仔入邊嗰個 mix 咧會 blur 晒嘅有時。係啊，所以咧我就都試過晒好多。即如果令到嗰個聲音冇個最大影響嘅咧，都係 Beta 588，因為我個位置就係都係定咗嘅，通常咁大部分時間都係用有線嘅咯。咁但係無線嘅我都會有時，即係譬如上咗台啊，都會用到嘅，因為可能都需要同啲樂手溝通，同埋即係我嘅工作崗位咧，咁就我都會聽翻，即係譬如嗰個 engineer 嘅意見就話呢個歌手可能會用呢一隻咪會好啲，跟住咁個歌手又會覺得我需要點樣嘅嘢，咁我哋都會研究佢用咩咪嘅。咁其實好多型號我哋都試過，而家最近期咧都係用翻最傳統、大家最認受嘅 Beta 588嘅無線版咯。我覺得呢個牌子令我覺得最安心嗰樣嘢就係因為你喺一個現場嘅環境，譬如我哋做 live 做演唱會做咩都好，其實我哋最講求嗰樣嘢係個效率啦。咁個質素當然係緊要啦，但係個效率即係佢會令到我覺得係我見到佢嘅時候會比較上安心咯。咁多唔同品牌，即係我哋都會試過。咁百花齊放呢樣嘢係好嘅。咁有啲人會比較可能中意佢某啲牌子嘅外觀啊，或者可能佢中意比較上夾啲佢嘅聲音嘅，但係我總括嚟講咧 Shure 嘅特性咧係會比較上迎合大部分嘅人多啲嘅。如果要覆蓋晒咁多嘅唔同嘅情況咧，我覺得都係 Shure 嘅即係個覆蓋性比較上高啲。Happy birthday to Shure! Happy 100th anniversary。